Whatever happened to my garden of black roses? Oh, nurturing years of so long. When I was a boy,